Let's take a look at the middle panel, the Details pane. Try clicking the arrows next to Summary, Set Color Range, Well Information, and Structure to expand and collapse each section. You can open and close them anytime to focus on what you need. Let's focus on the Set Color Range section. By default, the heat map automatically adjusts the color scale for each plate. But if you'd like more control, you can manually set the range using the sliders or the number fields here. Click the buttons to return to defaults. The high signal and low signal values determine the color range of the heat map. Below that, the outlier settings are for highlighting extreme values, useful when you want to make it clear that a reading is way off the scale. You can find more details about this in the documentation. Now go ahead and collapse the color range section and open up the summary section. Here, you'll see some key stats like the mean signal and the CV. Right now, most of the metrics show as 0. That's because you still need to define your control and neutral wells. To do that, select the wells that contain your controls. Then right-click and choose Control, Define. Do the same with your neutral wells by right-clicking and choosing Neutral, Define. Once that's done, you'll see values appear for your controls, your neutral wells, and even Z and Z prime. You can also mark wells that you want the system to ignore, like border wells. Note that Control, Neutral, and Ignore designations apply across all plates, so they'll stay consistent. Designations are automatically stored in the configuration file as you select them. We'll talk about the configuration file in the Settings tab tutorial. Now, let's talk about plate artifacts. These are a little different. They're specific to the plate you're currently viewing. Try creating a few artifacts on one plate. You'll notice that they don't carry over to other plates. They're saved only to the plate that you added to. For ease of use, you can use the Control key to select multiple wells. Both Ignore and Artifact wells are excluded from summary calculations. Notice that your Z factor gets a little better as you exclude these wells. Finally, collapse the Summary section and open the Well Information section. When you hover over any well, you'll see its details here. This area can also show additional parameters if you've imported custom well information. We'll cover how to import that kind of data in the advanced tutorial, Add Well Info.